Hello, everybody. My name is Vahid Kerusi, and I will present a half a day tutorial for 3 hours in Istanbul Software Testing Conference. So the topic will be AI-enabled software testing. The future is already here. It means that, as we know, software testing has been around for at least 40, 50 years. Now we are entering, let's say, the golden age of testing using AI. AI assisted can also be called AI driven, AI powered, AI enabled. About myself, I've been in the world of software testing since year 98. I wrote my first test automation code using IBM Rational Functional Tester in year 98. I'm based in the UK. I live in the UK. My roles, I work in two roles. First, as a testing strategist and consultant, actually for three companies, one in Turkey and two in Azerbaijan. I am originally from Azerbaijan. And also, I'm a professor of software engineering in Queen's University Belfast. Here, my email address, etc. And I just generated an interesting picture using ChatGPT. So, really, our goal is really, as you can see, the box here, right? So, our software systems unfortunately have some defects usually, and we as humans do manual or automated testing. And recently, we are also able to use AI for this purpose to either find the faults or show that the software works as expected. So this tutorial, what it will contain in the 3 hours. First, I will present history and the evolution of software testing. By the way, I speak three languages: English, Azerbaijan dili ve Türkçe. So, of course, the tutorial will be mainly in English, but of course, attendees can ask in any of these three languages. So, then I can say a few words in Turkish as well. Testing ve yapay zekadan konuşacağız. Onlar birlikte iki şekilde birlikte olabilirler. Testing the AI itself, AI'ın kendisini test etmek ve AI testing, using AI in testing. Yazılım test faaliyetlerinde yapay zekayı kullanmak. To increase effectiveness and efficiency. So we're just gonna spend 15 minutes on it. The major focus, of course, of the tutorial will be on AI as the software testing. So what test activities can AI help with? And so we're gonna do lots of practical exercises. I will have ChatGPT, and also we would encourage and invite the attendees to bring their laptops with ChatGPT, of course, on the web open, so that we can practice and learn interesting things in this topic. AI-based testing tools. We will look at general purpose AI testing tools such as ChatGPT, and also a specific purpose. There's 80 plus or more, about 100 tools in testing, such as Selenium, Selenium, and etc. We're going to see a number of commercial tools that are not like GPT, but they have their own models for helping in testing. And then we will wrap up by talking about insights and implications. Are software testing jobs going away? Well, the answer is no, but the nature of our jobs will be more focused on AI and using AI, and then we'll talk about future of this field. So it's going to be 3 hours, and I look forward to seeing everybody there. Çok sağ olun ve görüşmek üzere.